everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. My name is Rito in case you're new here, and if you're old here, thank you for coming back and welcome to the new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. I hope you stay. And yeah, let's get into this haul. So I have a mango haul for you today. I typically do not buy stuff in mango or a lot of stuff in mango, because if you've been on the mango website or if you've been to a mango shop, I think you know that their stuff are relatively expensive, but they're not bad items. They are actually good quality items. It's just that they can be quite expensive, and when you are blogging on a budget like me, you don't really have the luxury of always buying stuff from like the most expensive places. I do tend to buy a lot of stuff on sale in most of these stores anyway. Like even if I buy from Zara or somewhere, I do kind of make good use of the sale period. Sometimes I'm forced to buy things full price because of course I want them at that time, or I see them at that time and I'm afraid they're going to sell out. But a lot of times I make good use of the sale period. Right now, at least Mango Hungary, because I live in Hungary, Budapest, Hungary, and right now they have a sale, a 20% sale. They just actually sent me another notification about the sale. They're having a 20% Mother's Day sale, and before this sale they had like a 30 to 40% sale. So I always kind of go over there when they're doing those sales, and it's just easier to get those things at that time. So I'm going to start with the shoes. I have one bag, and then I'm going to stand up and move on to the tops and the dress that I got from Mango. So if you want to see all these items, keep on watching. The first shoe I'm going to be showing you is this one right here. I really don't know what these shoes are called. I've been trying to find the names and everything. I just don't know what they're called, but I absolutely adore the color and the shade of the shoe. It's nothing out of this world. It's suede. So of course you want to avoid water with this. Okay, this wasn't on sale. I remember this wasn't on sale. This was 15,000 foreign, so it wasn't on sale. But the reason why I got it is because I have a bag from Zara that is on this shade and the same suede and everything, and I wanted to be able to have something to pair them. Also, I don't have any shoe like this in my wardrobe, and I also know that I need a lot of shoes. I need more shoes that are not sneakers, because if you followed me for a while on Instagram before my new Instagram now, you know that I am always on sneakers. They're comfortable, and because of my job, they are the ideal shoes to wear. So let's move on to the next shoes. So the next shoes I have are these ones right here. So this pair, I have the other pair, the other leg on the ground. So when I say this pair, I'm talking about the one on the ground too. So this one is this tan shoe sandal right here. It has the block heels. I don't know what, am I saying it right? Block heels. Look, if it's not sneakers, I don't know anything. Okay, these are like the heels, what they look like, and they're not too high, so they sit really well, and they're sturdy, they're comfortable because they're not too skinny. I think they give you this a very comfortable hold to the ground, so it's not like shaky when you're moving. With these shoes, I got them in a size 37, which I went by my boot size for Mango, and also by the fact that I had another heel from Mango that was size 38 and it was too big for my legs. But I realize now that I should have gotten a size 38, but I don't want to return it because returning things in Mango is so inconvenient, and I just can't. I don't want to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it because of course shoes expand and it's gonna be fine. I can take the pain for 2 or 3 wears until it expands and it's mine and comfortable. The other pairs of shoes I'm going to be talking about are, do not judge me. You know how you see something and they come in different colors and you can't decide which one, and because they are not expensive, they're 6,000 foreign. Okay, Mango shoes, I will give it to them. A lot of their heels like these are like 6,000, 9,000 foreign, so they're good. This one I got like a snakeskin one like this, a metallic one like this, and a black one like this. So the heels are also not too high, even though they are skinny heels. They're this barely there style. Yes, I got the name of this one, barely there. They're barely there ones, and they are quite sturdy. I tried them. They are very sturdy. They do not shake on the ground, they do not move around, and they are quite comfortable. Now I have this pair in size 38 and it's my perfect size. These two pairs are size 37. Again, my mistake, and I will expand them. If I need to give it to someone that has a bigger, wider foot to expand them, I will do that. But I like them. Actually, they fit right. It's just here I have like my pinky toe can feel a little bit tight right here, but it's okay to expand, I guess. So that's fine. So this is okay. Yeah, I have a bag for you, and it's not my favorite. Now I picked up this bag because I don't have any bag that is in this shape. I don't have any bag that is this shape. Now anything that is white or cream, when it comes to the camera, it just washes it out. I don't know why. And this bag is just a basic purse. It wasn't expensive. It was like 5,000 foreign, so I'm not really faulting them for feeling 8,000 foreign, I think, and I'm not really faulting them for the way it feels. It just doesn't feel, it just feels like something I picked up from the roadside, from a roadside vendor trying to be cheap. It feels really cheap. And I have another bag from, I don't know where it is. I have another bag from Mango that is the same price, and that one feels really good. But I realize that Mango bags don't feel, a lot of them do not feel expensive. I feel like they just throw in material. This feels like just, the long hand just gives it this really, I'm not a fan of this bag. I've removed the longer one. I'm gonna not use that. I'm thinking this bag should go with just it looks better. It's less bulky and overwhelming. The shade was the reason why I picked this bag, but to be honest with you, if you're not looking for like something durable and long term, and you're just looking to have this shade in your wardrobe, fine, get it, but it really does feel really cheap. It doesn't feel like Mango to me. So okay guys, so this is the first top that I'm going to be showing you from the haul. It's just this puffy, like with this top with puffy hands. It is quite transparent, I think. I'm not sure because when I hold it up it was transparent, but when I wear my black bra in it, it just looks just fine. I have mine in a size small. Now in Mango I always go with a size small for the tops, and sometimes if it's oversized I might go down to a size extra small, but usually I stick to a size small for dresses and for the tops and everything. So I'm just pairing it with this really nice skinny jeans from Zara, and then one of the with the belly there heels that I showed you in the beginning, in the black one. And this is one of the ways that I will style these. Now this top, it feels so good. It's silk, so it feels really soft on the skin, and it feels like it's actually something that is quality, which I'm not even surprised because it's Mango. Like, it's Mango. I'm just coming a little close to you. It is this floral top with like a lot going on, so I'm thinking stick to the plain down, or every other place should be plain, but this top I think is really cute. Now this is something that is going to be kind of different from what I would normally wear, but I'm really trying to let myself like dress out of the box. Isn't it funny how like a top like this is actually my out of the box? But I really love the top. I really like it. I think that this would wear very well with so many things, with skirts, with jeans, and with like pants, trousers and all that. So I really like it. My thing is, when I'm buying something, I want to make sure that I can style it in so many ways. So this is one of the reasons why some things I bought, I keep telling you different ways that I would style it, because that's so important for me. So this is the second top I wanted to show you. I was quite excited about this top. I just loved the way that it the way they designed the top. Now all of them, if you look, they don't have like a collar, that their collar is just like, they don't have the usual collars that you see in tops. Now if you're wondering why I'm not wearing a belt, it's because typically I don't wear belts on my jeans. I know that sometimes things look better with the belt, but I feel like somebody is trying to strangle me through my stomach. So a lot of times I don't wear belts, but I think that with this I would probably wear belts, but it's not, I don't feel like it's necessary. But this is the second top. So on the hands there's this elastic band on the hands, then it flares out here, which I feel like you can pull up if you want to make it look like the hands are shorter. And I love how they played with the ruffles here, and it's a kind of top that a lot is going on, but it's still cute, it's not overpowering. I have mine in the size small again, and it's such a cute top. It's comfortable, it feels really good, and I just love it. It buttons all the way down and all the way up, but I mean, if you want to button it up, like it buttons all the way down and up. If you want to button it up like this, it would still look nice, but if you want me, I always leave my buttons halfway undone, so that's how I would wear mine. But yeah, this is what the top looks like, and this also goes for 7,000 forints. And all these things are still in stock on the website, so I will link everything as I am telling you now, so you can be able to buy them if you want to. So let's move on to the next top. So I would say that aside from the first top that I showed you, this is probably my second favorite, because I just love the color play on this. Like the bread just brings me out, and I just really love this top. And yeah, this is my Zara pant from my last Zara haul. Yeah, from my last Zara haul, and this is what it looks like together. I think it is perfect. Of course this top will go with the jean or a skirt, but I just thought that it was going to look even nicer with this. And man, what do you think? Like, I think it's really cute, and with the belt and everything. Of course I'm pairing it with the black belly dares from the Mango too. And it is actually, I just realized that it is the same top as the first top that I showed you, just that this is a different design with a different color and everything. But I feel like this is so summer and so spring. There is nothing more summer and spring than this top, and I absolutely I love it. Do I say absolutely a lot? I think I do, but okay, you know what I mean. Like, I love the top. So I'm going to move on to the last piece, which is a dress. But before I leave, I just wanted to take a good look at this. I really do love this top. Come on, it's so cute, and I think with my hair it's like perfect. Okay, so this is the last piece. Don't worry, this is not how the dress is supposed to be. It has this, I have it in the size small, and it has this rope on the waist where you can basically cinch your waist with it. Now you can wear it like this if you want, if that's your cup of tea, but for me, I would definitely go with a with a belt on this, and definitely not go without a belt, seriously, because I feel like a belt will just put everything into place with this dress, and it's exactly what it's doing. Now this is not the belt I will go with it, because of course this belt is just hanging over here, but just to show you like how this would look, or this how I would style it. I'm wearing them with some of the heels, and I'm thinking that naturally I'll probably go with this, the silver one, but I'm wearing the black one because I just used it for the other outfit, and I was too lazy to take it off, and you can't see it anyway. So yeah, this is what the dress looks like. And if it's your cup of tea, you can put the take down one bottle, because I feel like it shapes it more when you do that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't remember the lady that I saw this on YouTube, that she hauled this dress, and I fell totally in love with this dress, and I think it's actually a cute dress. It's not so me, but it's something I definitely would want to have in my wardrobe for those days when you're just feeling really, you know, floral. So yeah, this is it, and yeah, and this is the last so this is the last piece for this haul, and thank you so much for sitting through it. It's such a short haul, but yeah, thank you for sitting through it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.